What's up everyone, it's Tony here, and welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. Many of you know I'm always on the hunt to tour some of the finest super yachts in the world, and today I have a very special treat for you. We're going to be touring this 2021 Mangusta Oceano 43. This yacht is presented by Worth Avenue Yachts. It's in pristine condition, it has a steel hull, it's 141 feet, it has a beam of 28 feet, and a draft of 8 feet and 2 inches. It has very impressive performance, it has a great range on board. And as you can see, we're standing in the beach club. You can see the passerelle over here, and this transom wall will fold back. So you can see how that looks from the opposite angle. And then you also have the built-in shower. And then you'll see you have this beautiful beach club area down here. So they have some gym equipment set up. You could use this however you'd like. You have a TV mounted on the wall. You have the fully stocked bar area as well. And this area also has a day head. So if you have all the toys out in the water and then you need to use the restroom, you can just come in right here. Boom, easy. And then there's also a staircase that leads up to the starboard side deck. So you can easily get down here from different directions. And then, like I said, well-stocked area back here with the sink and refrigeration down below. Now, let's step up onto the aft deck. You can see your seating area and the entire row of bench seating. And then through these powered doors, we'll make our way into the beautiful main salon. Those opened up automatically, of course. As you can see, the beautiful interior design here. Your TV is mounted right over here. You have huge windows as well, and of course you have the curtains if you want to block these off. But basically floor to ceiling windows. And then you also have the formal dining area forward. I love these little details in the wall. And before we head into the owner's suite, let's see if we can check out the galley. It's located behind this door right here, but you also can see the wine fridge and the little prep space for the stews. Let's see if we can grab. So you can see your appliances and cold storage over here, and we don't want to bother the chef too much. They're busy at work. Thank you. So this yacht is very busy. It is fully crewed, so we can't get down to the crew mess, unfortunately. And also, as you saw, the chef was busy at work. We're at the Palm Beach International Boat Show, and there's a bunch of VIP clients coming on board soon. But you have this beautiful foyer area. You can see the side door right here. And these stairs, of course, lead down to the guest cabins and up to the bridge deck. Before we get up there or down there, you have the day head right here. And then through this door, you have a huge area for the owner suite. You have an entire wall of closet space. This is privately owned, of course, so we're not going to open these up. And then through this door, I mean, guys, take a look at this. This is stunning. Unfortunately, it's not open right now at the show and we're not able to get it open, but you'll see these double glass doors. There is a private balcony for the owner suite. You can kind of make it out right here. This will fold out and the window will flip up. So I'm gonna find a picture. I'll put it on the screen of what this looks like. It's a really cool feature. Lovely to have on an owner suite like this. And I just love these sections right here with the accent lighting. And then coming over here, you have the ensuite, of course. You have some beautiful accent lights. They're actually skylights above. You have the toilet privately tucked away over here. And then obviously this is an incredible shower. We're not gonna walk through it because I know they just detailed it, but you have that rainfall shower. the additional shower heads over here. Look at that design in the floor. This is stunning. Obviously, it's the full beam of the yacht. And then same exact thing on the other side. It's obviously mirrored to the side we just saw. If you're enjoying this Mangusta so far, make sure you leave a like on the video. Like I said in the intro, I'm always trying to find some of the nicest yachts out there, and this one is definitely up there. This yacht is incredible. Every single area, you have just those gorgeous accent pieces. And Mangusta, it is an Italian brand, so you know they're gonna put a lot of thought into all the different details and the materials, that type of stuff. You do have a TV here, but it's behind the mirrored wall. Your ensuite, of course. And I believe the toilet is located, is it underneath this? Never seen anything like that, but it is a nice little duality there. You have the beautifully lacquered finished wood on top, and then obviously you have the rainfall as well as these shower heads. The closets, of course, were built into the wall. You have cabin number 4 and 5 over here. This one has 2 single beds, and on the other side, I'm going to show you right now. This is mirrored, but you can see how you can push these 2 beds together to form a queen. So you have some functionality there. You can reverse them if you want. And these en-suites are also going to be mirrored. Still extremely high-end. Top-notch stuff in every single room. Here, now you can kind of see what the TV looks like through that mirrored wall, because this one is on. You can actually see it in person, don't worry. On camera, it looks a little weird. Then stepping back, this of course is the other VIP. All your closets are on the wall here. Back up the stairs we go. And guys, just look at the little details like this. You have the Alcantara material behind the leather-wrapped handrail and the accent lighting. Just like little details like this really elevates the yacht. It's so stunning in person. I hope it's capturing well on camera. Now it's time to head upstairs. We have the day head right here. Very thick doors, always a sign of high quality. These are just closets behind all of these doors. And then back here, this is your sky lounge. And once again, guys, I'm gonna move all the way back. Look at this. Huge TV on the wall, beautiful furniture. I love this detailing in the wall. And before we head out back, over here, you have another prep space. This staircase is used by the crew so they can get around to the different decks. All the way forward, we will find the bridge. So obviously it's a very modern bridge, as you would expect. 5 really large multifunction displays, your captain's chairs, the bench behind it, side access doors on either side. And then right behind the helm station, this is the captain's cabin. So they have their office. We'll just take a quick peek at his room. Really nicely finished, just like the rest of the yacht. And then there's another crew staircase to get up even higher. You have to comment down below. Let me know what you think of the styling on this one. So far for me, it's been perfect, but obviously I'd love to hear your opinion. Another set of power doors here. You wouldn't expect anything less. Then we have another alfresco dining area. And then a huge row of bench seating all the way aft on this deck. And you also have the bar area, just like down in the beach club, same style. And now, as you'd expect, it's a tri-deck super yacht. I really like the wood accents in the ceiling. And let's head up to the sun deck, because obviously this is another incredible area. And check this out, we have the freestanding furniture. Let me give you a view of the Palm Beach International Boat Show. Obviously this is a very high vantage point. There is a TV that comes up right here. More of that wood accents in the ceiling. And another alfresco dining area. And then once again, another built-in bar. Can't get enough on this one. And behind here, this is where of course you have things like your refrigeration, your sink, and then the crew staircase I pointed out, this is where this opens up to. So there's still more to see. We're gonna see the engine room, of course, and we're also gonna head up to the foredeck because there's lots going on up there. We'll just head back down this staircase. You remember I mentioned there's a staircase that leads down to the beach club. That's this staircase. And then if we head up on the side deck, this will grant us entry up to the foredeck. And up here, obviously you saw the beach club was finished to a really high level. And that's because you don't need to store your tender in there. Your tender actually gets stored in a garage on the side underneath the foredeck. Here's a side access door to the bridge, as well as a wing station. So take a look at this pool. This is incredible. You can see this beautiful jacuzzi right here. You have the sun pads on either side. And you have even more seating right here. And I'm gonna throw up a picture. I'm gonna see if I can find one with the garage opening. If not, you'll at least see the cutout on the starboard side here for the tender to come out of the garage. And then right up here, you'll see a couple of wave runners stored up here and the crane right in the middle. This is absolutely stunning. I love how the water trickles through into the middle. Then you have more of a little wading pool on this side. Incredible. Now, we will find the engine room over on this side, or at least access to the engine room on this side. If we come through here, this is how we gain access to the engine room, and I really like how the staircase is really clean. It's a sign of a good design as well as a good crew, keeping things nice and tidy. Then here you can see the chief engineer space. This is a very comfortable looking working space. It's way nicer than some of the other chief engineering spaces that I've seen. Then of course here is the engine room. I'm going to show you the engines and then I'll tell you about them in a moment. Obviously you have water makers and everything you need on board for extended cruises. And actually I think it's quiet enough, so let me tell you about these engines. It comes with a pair of MTU 12V 2000 engines, 1448 horsepower each. Your top speed is 15 knots, You can cruise at 11 knots, and you're looking at an impressive 4,500 nautical miles of range. All right, guys, things are starting to get busy. So let me give you one more shot of the main salon. Thank you to Worth Avenue Yachts for granting us access on board. This is an incredible listing. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below, and we will catch you next time.